Oh, no.
Oh no. Oh my god. Shut up, pussy.
I am. I know. I've started it. Do a body. Yo, Vince. Oh, you better have a mic, dude.
Hey, Vince boy, shut the fuck up.
Dude, you're flying. Oh fuck.
The fuck?
Look at this nigga. This nigga looks like that guy from what's that one guy from fucking
Yo, let's leave him. Yo, let's leave him. Leave him. Leave him.
He looks like that Mozji
Skylord
kid.
Chip Skylord or some shit like that. Look at your fat ass chin, dude.
Shut up, my fat ass chin. Look at your fat ass.
Yo. Let's go. Yo, wait. Turn the light off. Turn the light off. Turn the light off. Leave him. Turn it off. Leave him. Leave him. Leave him. Yo, leave him.
Shut up, boy. You look like a bag.
Dude, don't do this fucking video like this, dude. No, let's just fuck around right now. Don't count this. We'll do this. The video.
Your head looks like a router.
No, let's leave him. Come on. Let's go. Leave him. Let's go. That nigga's dying. He goes. He's following us, dude. Let's go. He's calling. Dude, there's a turd right there, dude. Turn around.
Your head bigger than an Xbox.
Dude, get him off of me like that. Okay, turn the light off. Turn the light off. Turn the light off. Leave him.
Yo, Mozji, we're Apex.
Wait.
Yo, have mine as well right here.
What's going on?
His dumbass went left. Come on, come on.
Leave him, dude. Oh shit.
You know, right?
Look at his dumbass.
Wait, bitches wait on my leg. You wait to put the fly on me, and you kinda get a little bit of me.
Yo, get up on my face by swinging at you. I'm gonna start swinging at you. Yo, leave him. Let's go. Run. Just sprint. Sprint. Let's go.
Every time I put me back,
He's right there.
Bro,
chill, dude. Trail, shut up.
Shut up, you look. Yo, head is
Dude,
shaped
shut
as a
up.
fucking watermelon.
Yo, I'm about to kick your friends, dude.
Chill.
Oh
Chill,
my
dude.
god, your head looks like a
Holy fuck. You got
God,
a
you smell like
fucking head
toe
like
dirt.
Patrick.
Shut up,
Sorry.
smell like toe dirt.
You got a fucking head like Patrick. Let's go.
A head like Patrick. Boy, your head look like fucking Kung Fu Panda looking at us. Shut the fuck up.
What?
Your head look like a rat. Nigga be looking like SpongeBob.
Yo, look at that turd.
Motherfucker be like, like boy.
Dude, chill.
Hey, yo,
bro,
Mozji.
chill, dude. Chill. Holy fuck, dude. Chill.
You talk too much. Suck my fucking toe, fuck bag.
Alright, Stokes, give him the cucumber, dude.
You give him the cucumber?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, put him in my house.
Nah, don't get
Yeah, he don't need it. He'll do something to that cucumber. We don't need
Wait for me, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, he's right there, dude. Turn
Sorry, I
around.
learned that from Mozji.
Walk away. I
it. I don't see him.
Alright, he disappeared.
I hear a tape. Did that guy get it from over here?
I think that guy got killed because he's just like, ugh.
He died?
I think he did because I just heard, what? He got fucked up. He's right there behind you.
Oh shit, dude, don't fuck around like that, dude. That's a fucking turd in the air. Look at that thing.
He's right behind you, dude. Wait, he was.
Shut up, Mozji.
Yo, I'm about to get you the cucumber.
Yeah, dude.
You look like a thumb with googly eyes. Shut up.
Dude, chill, dude. Bro.
You look like a twig in real life.
Yo, you look like a fuck.
Oh my god, he's right there.
Yo, this nigga don't want it.
Zach, you look like
Let's go, nigga. Oh shit. Okay, he break his neck. He breaking his neck. He's breaking his neck.
Say a
like
little louder.
wait, shut up. You look like a fucking pickle with a little hair on.
This,
Come on,
You
let's
look
go.
like Saran Wrap. Shut up.
Oh my god. He's right there.
You
Come
like
on, you
Ferris
fucking
Bueller's
nigger.
dog.
You look like Fez from
He's
that
coming,
70s
dude.
show.
Wait for me. I'm in here, dumbass. Dude, come back in the fucking.
I'm not coming in there, dude. Yo, get your ass out of there, nigga. This is not 25 to life. Let's go. Nigga, you look like a fucking groundhog, nigga. Shut the hell up.
Why you ain't talking? Your head looks like a car.
Your head look,
Bro, Zach, you look like.
this nigga head look like a watermelon. He's right there. Fucker. Dude, you look like that fucking character off Ed and Eddie, nigga. Shut the hell up.
Oh, boy, your head looks like the statue from Standoff.
Oh.
I don't even have no words for that. I really don't have words for that.
Come on, dumbass.
Yo, I'm like playing Claw with this fucking light right now. This nigga be breathing and shit, nigga.
Yo, you follow me, bitch. Come on.
Dude, which one did we get? I know we got one from, we got that one at,
Just follow me.
we have to go get the one at Train, dude. We have to get one at Train. We gotta find Train. Dude, here's, there's one in here somewhere. Unless you already got it. Dude, I think you already got it in here.
When your toe come off at night.
Their toe comes off.
Dude, we're going where we could hear him, dude. Why?
Yo, I don't know.
Spitfire. I hope that happens. When a flashlight becomes a tube box.
Dude, he's dead right there. Look at him. Look at this nigga. He's blue. What's up?
When a trash can becomes Mozji.
That nigga did die, bro. Get up out of here with your... Oh! I just went through him, bro. Look at him.
Yo, we sorry, dude. We'll see you later, alright, though? We'll holla at you later.
Mozji looks like a zombie.
We gonna holla at him later, you know. He's done, son. Yo, bye, Felicia. Yo. Dude, there's the cucumber, man. Look at the cucumber. Yo.
There's a cucumber right there, boy.
Oh, shit. He's right there. I'm running. Oh, dude, he's coming up on you, dude. Go. Put that ass to work. Put that ass to work. Yo, he died right here. Look. Rip, my nigga.
I hate when fucking stairs in your house become actually
See which
pizza.
all the green things right there. Don't look at it.
Dude, that's the turd, man.
That's a turd, man.
That turd's got some radiation to it. You know, somebody took a mean one.
Don't you hate when your windows become Twinkies?
That's what? You dumb. He's always hunt.
Bro, chill, trail. Holy fuck, dude. Chill.
What?
I hope your mom walks in and smacks the shit out of you.
Your mom does that every day. I hate when you smoke weed and then your car turns into a crack.
He's right there. Dude, get the go.
That's motherfucking right. And you gotta do
Yo, what's the ones that we don't have? I know we have the.
Freddy Krueger.
can see it in your eyes.
Dude, I lost you.
Yo, no.
Dude,
Yo,
where
don't
you
play
at?
with me, man. Don't play with me, man. Come back. Homie. No. Oh, How you gonna?
You look like a staircase.
You fucking dumbass. Don't fucking play with me like that. Aw, dude, that's fucked up. You get fucking smacked by him.
He's gonna get us right here. We're just standing. You look one side and you look the other, bro. Look. Hey. Yo. He's right there. He's right
Oh shit! I was playing AFK for a second. Oh. Oh shit! I'm too fat to run.
He's always trying.
Yo, I'm about to give you the fucking fat cucumber. What was that, dude? Yo, I can't play now. That kid ruined everything. Fucking random. Mozji, why you not get to play with randoms, fat hoe? You're so ugly.
You fucking idiot.
Are you eating? He's right there. Yo, I'm gonna look around this corner and see who's coming. Hello? Yo. My nigga, don't be playing no game. Yo, I saw you around this corner, dude. I'm just gonna throw my road down and leave.
If he's right there. Oh, I hear him. I hear him. He's right there.
No, Felicia got scared.
He's gonna. He got us right here last time.
Yeah, he did, I remember. Sharkeisha. Yo, I'm gonna give him the name Felicia. He gets the name Felicia. We call him Felicia. We gotta watch out for Felicia. Yo, I haven't found Tate. Do we usually found Tate? He's right there. Go. Yo, Felicia, man. Over this. Yo, it's a random place to put some random crates at.
Oh my! He's right there. Turn around. Come back. You fucking idiot.
Yo, what's that noise, man? Oh, he's right behind you, dude. Yo, I'm too fat to run. I can't sprint no more. Oh! Go, son! Go fuck him. Nigga peek around the corner like he know me. Yo, go around this corner, go around this corner. Yo, why is it so hard? Yo, I think it's not... No.
He's behind us. He's behind us. He's behind. Go. He was over there in the corner again. Go.
Yo, we were just over here. Yo, watch him. It's just your fault. Everything. Fuck you. Yo, we haven't been in here though. Yo, what's this green stuff, dude?
I can't stop. Dude, where you at? Dude, where you at?
Yo, I can't find a freaking tape. That kid, I lost track of everything. We didn't get the one in did we get the one in here?
I just heard him fucking like.
I'm so scared, man. I don't know where you be at right now. Oh my god. Looking like a cucumber, dude. Yo, the V-Trail, where'd he go?
Left.
Yo, did we get one of the computers? He's right there. Mess with me, son. Oh, my nigga, you done?
No.
Oh, he's on me. Oh, get out of here, dude. You can't ever get me, son. I can almost. He was behind me. He almost died, dude. I was almost done.
Wait for me. Stop fucking running, dude. Bro. What is that?
It's so frustrating, dude. No. I'm so scared.
He's right. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Come on, son. Let's go. I got him. I got him. Yo, finish him off. Hey, what's up, my nigga?
Bro, look at your body.
Yo, this is the afterlife? You're green.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
I hear a voice over here, dude. Let's go. I think this would be the spot. Right over here.
Come on, bitch. Come and see me. I'm getting him. I'm going towards him.
My nigga. Oh. Well. Felicia got us in the end.